So number line, we know it's a one-dimensional plane. We are going to study the solution of these inequalities on number line. So he has to take at least minimum marks of 70, so that when we add all the three examinations, his average will be 60. We have to take only positive integer. 10.5 is not an integer, but we can take 10 as an integer. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So here in this session, we will be studying about the graphical solution of inequalities on a number line. So number line, we know it's a one-dimensional plane. We are going to study the solution of these inequalities on number line. So we have already seen how to plot a real number on a number line from the chapter Relations and Function. So whenever the inequality less than or greater than are used, if you are drawing or if you are representing a number with this inequality, then you should write an open circle on the number line anywhere. Suppose if you have less than or equal to or greater than include, that means you are going to include the solution also. So in that case, you are going to plot a dark circle on the number line. So based on the equation, whether the x is greater than any number or less than any number, we will write the solution set on a number line. So the solution set is for real numbers here. So let us solve few questions now. Solve the following inequalities and show the graph of the solution each case on the number line. The first question is given here, 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. Let's solve this equation. So I have 7x and 5x here. If I subtract 5x on both sides, that is minus 5x on both sides, I'll get 2x plus 3 less than 9. Similarly, if you subtract minus 3 on both sides, you will get 2x less than 6. Divide by 2 on both sides, you will get x less than 3. So this is the solution. Therefore, the solution of this is less than 3 means all the numbers less than 3 till minus infinity. So how to represent this on a number line? We are going to construct a number line. Since we have 3 here, let me plot 0, 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now you can see here, the solution is strictly less than 3. So strictly less than 3 means here all the solution less than 3. So this is the solution and the solution goes in this direction. But here you have to plot an open circle because the numbers are less than 3. That means it is less than 3, not including 3. So therefore, the diagram for this follows like this. So you have to plot a number line. You have to draw for all the solution x less than minus 3. At 3, you should draw open circle because the solution is not including 3 there. Next question we have 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. Again, we have to solve for x. So for that, subtract 3x on both sides. If you subtract 3x, 5x minus 3x is 2x, minus 3 greater than or equal to minus 5. Next, here I have minus 5, here I have minus 3. So to remove minus 3, add 3 on both sides. So minus 3 plus 3 goes and here minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Again, divide by 2 on both sides, you will get x greater than or equal to minus 2. Since this is a slack inequality, the solution set belongs to greater than or equal to means the solution includes minus 2. Greater than minus 2 means till infinity. So again, we'll draw a number line. So we'll start minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our number line. So we are including minus 2 also. So therefore, you have to draw a closed circle on minus 2. And the solution says it is greater than minus 2. So therefore, the line will be like this, in this direction. So this is the solution set for the given inequality. So represent through a arrow there. Next, we have 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4. Let us solve this. 3 ones are 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8. So here we have 3 on the left hand side. To remove 3, Subtract 3 on both sides. 3 minus 3 0. Minus 3x less than 2x. 8 minus 3 is plus 5. Next, on your right hand side, we don't want 2x. So again subtract to 2x on both sides. Minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x. Two positives when are added, it is minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, and 2x minus 2x cancels, 5 remains. Divide by minus 5 on both sides. Remember, dividing from negative number, so the inequality changes. Minus 5 cancels and here it is x. 5 by minus 5 is minus 1. So the solution is strict inequality. Therefore, you can write x greater than minus 1 means minus 1 till infinity. So after minus 1, all the real numbers till infinity. So how to plot? Draw a number line. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a strict inequality. We cannot include minus 1. So you have to write an open circle there. The solution is greater than minus 1. So after minus 1, all the solution, that is all the real numbers greater than minus 1 will be the solution for this inequality. Next one we have 3x minus 4 by 2 greater than or equal to x plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Whenever you have denominators, that is in terms of fraction, take the LCM of those numbers. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So what you will do, multiply 4 to the whole equation here. So you are going to multiply 4 here also, 4 here also. So here it cancels, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So it is 2 into 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 4. 4 get cancels, x plus 1 minus 1 into 4 is 4. Solve this, 6x minus 8 greater than or equal to x minus 3. Subtract minus x on both sides. 6x minus x is 5x. Minus 8 greater than or equal to minus 3. Now to remove minus 8, add 8 to both sides. So minus 8 plus 8 goes, you have 5x greater than or equal to minus 3 plus 8. So 5x greater than or equal to 5 you have. So divide by 5 on both sides. So x greater than or equal to 5. So this is the inequality, that is slack inequality, including 5 means big bracket 5, greater than 5 means till infinity. So therefore this is the solution set. Now to represent it on a number line, we'll start with minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So clearly all the numbers including 5 and greater than 5. So at 5, you have to draw a closed circle and the solution is greater than or equal to 5. So therefore it goes like this. So this is the solution set for the given equation. That is x greater than or equal to 5, including 5, a small closed circle, and greater than 5, which shows the direction of all real numbers greater than 5. So this is how we can represent the solution set on a number line. Next we will look at how to form an inequality and solve it. So here the equation will be framed in terms of a statement problems. We will frame the inequality and we will solve it. For example, we have taken a question here. The marks obtained by a student of class 11 in the first and second terminal examination are 62 and 48 respectively. Find the minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average of at least 60 marks. So here they have said average of 60 marks. So when you add all the 3 examination, at least he should get an average of 60 marks. So how to do that? So first examination he has taken 62. Second examination he has taken 48. I don't know for the annual examination. Let I take it as certain x. And average of these 3 numbers means divided by 3. That should be an average of at least 60 marks, means greater than or equal to 60 marks. At least 60 means minimum he can score 60 or greater than 60 also. Now how to solve it? So to remove 3 here, multiply 3 on both sides. So here it is 62 plus 48 plus x greater than or equal to 180. Add 62 plus 48. So it is 110 plus x greater than or equal to 180. So subtract 110 on both sides. So you will get x greater than or equal to 180 minus 110 is 70. So x, he can take a minimum marks of 70 or greater than 70. So he has to take at least minimum marks of 70 so that when we add all the three examinations, his average will be 60. Next question. Find all the pairs of consecutive natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. We will take two pairs of consecutive odd numbers. We know odd numbers are represented as 1, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now, if you take any two odd numbers, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. These are odd numbers. If you take any of the number, let me take 7 and 9. Consecutive means the very next number. So for 1 it is 3, for 3 it is 5, for 7 it is 9, for 11 it is 13. Like that, for any number, if you take 3, the next one will be 3 plus 2. If you take 11, the next one will be in the form of 11 plus 2. That is the consecutive integer. So what I'll do here, so if I take x as the first number, then x plus 2 is the another number. So let x and x plus 2 are odd numbers. Now they have told that both are greater than 10. So given condition is x is greater than 10 means x plus 2 is obviously greater than 10. And they have told that their sum is less than 40. So how to write the sum of these two? X plus 2 is less than 40. Now we have to find the two numbers. Let us solve this. So here it is 2x plus 2 less than 40, minus 2 on both sides, 2x less than 38, divide by 2 on both sides, x less than 19. So if x is 19, if x is equal to 19 and x plus 2 is nothing but 21. Now here we have got x less than 19 and the condition is given as x greater than 10. So therefore what I can conclude here, x lies between 19 and 10. So how many pairs we can frame? So therefore the pairs may be in this form. X and x plus 2 can take 11, 13 or 13, 15 or 15, 17 or 17, 19. So these are the possible pairs whose sum will be less than 40 degree. The next question, find all pairs of consecutive even positive integer, both of which are larger than 5 such that their sum is less than 23. So we are going to find the pairs. Now let us see what is given. As in the case of odd numbers, x plus 2, even numbers also in the form of x and x plus 2 only, and they have given x is greater than 5 and their sum is less than 23. If I take x as one even number, the next even number will be x plus 2 whose sum is less than 23. Now I need to find all the pairs. So here it is 2x plus 2 less than 23. So 2x less than 2 on both sides, if you subtract it is 21, x less than 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 is nothing but approximately or exactly equal to 10.5. So here we have to take positive integer. So maximum x can reach till 10. So here therefore x lies between 10 and 5, 10.5. We have to take only positive integer. 10.5 is not an integer, but we can take 10 as an integer. So therefore, the possible pairs are so between 5 and 10, only even positive integers are. So if it is 6, then it can be 8. If it is 8, then it can be 10. So this is the only possibility so that their sum will be less than 23. So clearly here x can take the values 6, 8 and 10. So the possible pairs can be only 6, 8 and 8, 10 here. So this is the answer. The next question is, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first 2 unit tests. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. So clearly, he'll take 70, 75 in the first 2 tests. Third test, I'll take it as hex. Average I should take. That be at least 60 marks they are asking. So multiply 3 on both sides. 70 plus 75 plus x greater than 180. 70 plus 75 is 145 plus x greater than or equal to 180. So subtract 145 on both sides. So if you subtract 145 on both sides, x will be greater than or equal to 35. So therefore, Ravi must take at least 35 marks to get an average of 60 from all the 3 tests. So in today's session, we have learned how to draw a graphical method of solving a linear inequality in a number line and how to frame an inequality and solve according to the given condition. We will meet you in the next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.